this is how you're going to make a new quick note on your Mac computer. So first of all, what we need to do is to open up the Notes app as usual, like that. And as you can see, this is my Notes page. Most likely you have it collapsed like this. So in the left panel, I have the notes, and this is the main area where I can write the notes. So I want you to go to the side panel like that to make the side options appear. And as you can see, we have the quick notes right there. So I can go to the quick notes and I can essentially start a new note in this section, in this folder with this button, right? So we can create a new quick note like this. And now you get to see that we have 3 quick notes currently available, and I can just start typing something in, whatever. So the whole point is that it is part of this category and not part of the main notes section. However, you should know that the best way to create new quick notes, if you ask me, is when you go to the settings and enable the hot corners. So in the settings, when you go there and find a desktop and a dock, and at the bottom, you should be able to find the hot corners button. And when you click on it like this, you get to notice that every corner of the screen might have some action associated with it. So if you quickly move the cursor, move the mouse to each corner, that action is going to be triggered. If I go to the left, it triggers mission control. If I go to the right, it goes to the application windows. And a lot of people, and on the Macs by default, the bottom right corner is usually dedicated to the quick notes, right? So the point is, now as you can see, that doesn't quite work. So let me just get to the settings again. But the point is that you have the ability to choose one of the corners to be the quick note, for example, the bottom right, and you can, as I say, make it look like this, have the quick note available there. And now you'll have the ability to just go to the bottom right corner and the note is right there, so we can jump back to it. So if you ask me, this is even better than going to the Notes app to start a quick note, because this is really quick and interesting. It just works well. So let me know what you think below. Subscribe for more, and I'll see you later in the future uploads.